Hello everyone. In this we will discuss about solving some problems related to combinations, which is part of quantitative techniques meant for 5th semester BCA under NEP syllabus. This is part 39. First question, evaluate 10C8. We have NCR is the same as NCN minus R. So hence we can write 10C8 as 10C 10 minus 8, which is 10C2. Then we have NC2, which is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So this 10C2 can be written as 10 into 9 divided by 2, which will give us 45 as the answer. Let us move on to the second question. If NC10 is equal to NC12, find 23CN. So we can write now NC10 is equal to NC12 can be written as, based on this NCR equal to NC n minus R, based on that we can write this as NC n minus 12, which means now we can equate 10 is equal to n minus 12, or n is 10 plus 12, which will give you 22 as the answer. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 3. If 8CR is equal to, 8CR minus 7C3 is equal to 7C2. So we will now rewrite this as 8CR is equal to 7C2 plus 7C3. Now we have one equation, a proven one, which is NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to N plus 1 C R plus 1. So on that basis, if I replace, if N is equal to 7 and R is equal to 2, then we can rewrite the above equation as 7C2 plus 7C 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, should be equal to 7 plus 1, which is 8, C R plus 1, which is 3. So we may now compare this equation, which is given in the question, and this equation, what we arrived now. We may notice that R is equal to 3. That is the solution for this third question. Let us move on to the fourth one. Find the value of n if 2 times NC3 is equal to 20 by 3 times NC2. So now part A we will do 2 times NC3 can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. And this one, 20 by 3, can be written as 20 by 3 times NC2 can be written as n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Now both sides we can cancel n, both sides we can cancel n minus 1, and then both sides we can cancel this 2 in the denominator. 3 in the denominator also can be cancelled. So we will be left with now 2 times n minus 2 is equal to 20, which means n minus 2 is 20 divided by 2, which is 10. So that means n will be 10 plus 2, which will give us 12 as the result. Let us move on to the part B. I will go to the next page. NCn minus 4 is equal to 70. So NCn minus 4 can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 or let me rather first write down in a proper way. NCR formula we will use. So it becomes n factorial divided by n minus of n minus 4 the factorial into n minus 4 the factorial. That is equated to 17 now. Now let us expand this n factorial as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 the factorial divided by n minus n, it gets cancelled, minus or minus 4, it becomes plus 4, so it is 4 factorial. Here it is n minus 4 the factorial. Now this one and this one can be cancelled, and then we can rewrite 70 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 24 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. Now 70 into 24 is 1680. So this is 1680 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. Now let us factorize 1680. We'll use first 5. So it becomes 336. Further, 3 times if I take, this is 112. Again, we will consider 2. We will get 56. Consider 2. We will get 28. Consider dividing by 2. 1 minute. I just divide it by 2. We get 14. Then 2. We get 7. So now we may notice here, this is actually 16. 2 power 4. This is 15, or I think we will not consider, because there are 4 terms here. 4 terms. So we'll consider this 3 terms, which is 8. 3 into 2 is 6. So we can rewrite this 1680 as 7 into, sorry, first I will write 8. 8 into 7, that is, this is 8, this is 7, 3 into 2 is 6, and then 5 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, which implies that 8 is equated to n, or 7 is equated to n minus 1, or we can say 6 is equated to n minus 2, or 5 is equated to n minus 3. In all these cases, n is 8 only. That will be the result of this.